This is the revelation of God's love for us, that God sent His only Son into the world that we might have life through Him. Love consists in this. It is not we who love God, but God loved us and sent His Son to expiate our sins. My dear friends, if God loved us so much, we too should love one another. No one has ever seen God, but as long as we love one another.
L'amour doit être sincère. Regardez loin de ce qui est mal. Soyez dévoués les uns aux autres dans un amour fraternel. Honorez-vous les uns et les autres au-dessus de vous-mêmes.
If this life is like a long road, I want to walk it all with you. Slowly, taking our time to appreciate every plant, every mushroom, every sunset, full moon, and shooting stars. Wishing every time to hear your laugh, see your smile, and feel your kiss once more. I promise to hold on tight to you, even if we have to go through hard times. I will never lose my grip on you. I love you forever, and I'm so proud to call you my wife.
So today, I vow to honor, respect, support, and encourage you. I promise to dream, celebrate, and walk beside you through whatever life brings. I promise not to get tired of listening to your crazy horror stories when you're coming back from your work. I promise to always pursue you, to fight for you, not against you, to protect and trust you and love you unconditionally for the rest of my life, and give you the best of myself, for I know that together we will build a life far better than either of us could have imagined alone. I choose you to be my better half. I'll choose you over and over and over and over again. Even if some days there will be hard on us, I'll always keep choosing you. You are my best friend, my jack of all trades. I'm the luckiest person on earth to call you my husband.
Therefore, I'm now presenting you Mr. and Mrs. Grenier. Congratulations to the two of you. You may now kiss your bride.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your